Tired of manually repetitive tasks in Excel? Today, we'll unlock the power of macros to automate your workflow, but first, we need to enable them. Let's dive straight into Microsoft Excel. The first step is to access your Excel options. You can do this by clicking on the File tab, usually found in the top left corner of your Excel window. Once you've clicked File, look for an option called Options. At the very bottom of the left-hand menu, click on that. This will bring up the Excel Options dialog box. In this box, you'll see a list of categories on the left. We need to find and click on Trust Center. Within the Trust Center settings, you'll find another section to click on, labeled Macro Settings. Select this to adjust how Excel handles macros. Now, here's the crucial part. You'll see various options related to macro security for enabling macros. Select the option that says, Enable all macros, not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Before we finalize, it's very important to understand the risk. Enabling all macros means you're allowing any macro from any source to run. Only enable macros from sources you absolutely trust. Malicious macros can harm your computer or steal your data. Once you've chosen your preferred setting, click OK to close the Trust Center dialog box, and then OK again to close the Excel Options dialog box. And that's it. You've successfully enabled macros in Excel. Now you can start exploring custom scripts and automating those time-consuming tasks. Remember to always be cautious about where your macros come from.